That was so cool, Mom. When I brought the base of the bulb in contact with the positive terminal, the bulb glowed, and when I moved it away, it stopped glowing.
Good job!
Wait, I can't help but think, isn't this similar to what happened when I switched my torch on or off?
You're right, and this is why we have a switch. A switch is used to open or close an electric circuit, which either allows or prevents the flow of electric current. It is mainly used to control the flow of electricity to electrical appliances like lights or other devices, allowing them to be turned on or off as needed.
Oh, I see. Just like when I need light in my room, I switch them on and vice versa. But Dad, I'm wondering if we can make our own switches or not.
Great question, Arjun. And of course, you can make your very own switch. You will be provided with drawing pins, safety pin, 2 wires, a battery, a bulb, and a small thermocol sheet. What you will have to do is fix a drawing pin into the ring at the end of the safety pin and through the thermocol in such a way that the other pin can rotate freely. Next, you will put the other drawing pin through the thermocol right where the other end of the safety pin touches.
Why does it have to touch, Dad?
That you will have to find out. But that's not all. After getting this in place, you will make a circuit by connecting the wires and bulb into the setup. Now listen carefully. In this instance, the safety pin will act as a switch of our circuit. So you will have to move the safety pin first, allowing it to touch the second drawing pin, and next moving it away. Observe what happens.